Ram Sarvebhyah Swagatam. Welcome to class number 39 of Learning to Chant Sriman Narayaniyam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guru Shrikanto matulo yasya janani sarvamangala Janakashankaro Devaha Tam Vande Kunjarananam Pitambaram Karavirajita Shankha Chakra Kaumodaki Sarasijam Karuna Samudram Radha Sahaya Mati Sundara Mandahasam Bhatalagesha Manisham Hridi Bhavayami. We'll start with revision from the beginning of 20th Dashakam. Spurti will start the revision.
अथ विंशतितमं दशकम् प्रियव्रतस्य प्रियपुत्रभूतात् आग्नेध्रराजादुदितो हिनाभिः त्वां दृष्टवानिष्टदमिष्टिमध्ये तवैव तुस्यै कृतयज्ञकर्मा अभिष्टुतस्तत्र मुनीश्वरैस्त्वं राज्ञः स्वतुल्यं पुतमध्यमानः स्वयं जनिष्येऽहमिति ब्रुवाणः तिरोदधाबर्हिषि विश्वमूर्ते नाभिप्रियायामथ मेरुदेव्यां त्वमंशतो भूर्वृषभाभिधानः अलोकसामान्य गुणप्रभाव प्रभाविदाशेष जनप्रमोदः त्वयि त्रिलोकी भृतिराज्यभारं निधाय नाभिः सह मेरुदेव्या तपोवनं प्राप्य भवन्निषेवी गतः किलानन्दपदं पदं ते इन्द्रस्त्वदुत्कर्षकृतादमर्षात् ववर्षनास्मिन्न जनाभवर्षे यदा तदात्मन्निजयोगशक्त्या स्ववर्षमेनद्यददाः सुवर्षम् जितेन्द्रदत्तां कमनीं जयन्तीं अथोद्वहन्नात्मरताशयोऽपि अजीजनस्तत्र शतन्तनूजान् येषां क्षितीशो भरतोऽग्रजन्म नवा भवन्योगिवरा नवान्ये त्वपालयन् भारतवर्षखण्डान् सैतात्वशीतिस्तव शेषपुत्राः तपोबलात् भूसुरभूयमीयुः उक्त्वा सुदेभ्योऽथ मुनीन्द्रमध्ये विरक्तिभक्त्यन्वितमुक्तिमार्गं स्वयं गतः पारमहंस्यवृत्तिम् अधा जडोन्मत्तपिशाचर्याम्.
Good. From Shloka number 9, Ramya is not here. Okay, continue Spurti then.
परात्मभूतोऽपि परोपदेशं कुर्वन् भवान् सर्वनिरस्यमानः विकारहीनो विचचार कृत्स्नां महीमहीनात्मरसाभिलीनः क्षयुव्रतं गोमृगकाकचर्या चिरञ्चरन्नाप्यपरं स्वरूपम् दवाहृदाङ्गः पुटकाचले त्वं तापान् ममापा गुरुवादनाथ. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये वृषभयोगीश्वरचरितं नाम 20तमं दशकं समाप्तम्। नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते।
21st dashakam, the first six shlokas. Ramya.
मध्योद्भवे भुव इलावृतनाम्नि वर्षे गौरी प्रधानवनिता जनमात्रभाजि सर्वेण मन्त्रनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानं सङ्कर्षणात्मकमधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम्। भद्राश्वनामक इलावृतपूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानं कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणम् ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्।
Repeat the third line and fourth line.
कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणम् ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्। ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषैः परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेकशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्। वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीलाविशेषललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गम् लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमाणम् तस्याः प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्। रम्येष्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमाणम् भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तम् मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम्। वर्षं हिरण्मय समाह्वयमौत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृति कर्मठ कामठाङ्गम् संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायम् तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्।
Okay, good. We'll move on to the new shloka, shloka number 7. Raghunandanana. Kinchottareshu kurusho
प्रियया संसेवितः महितमन्त्र नुतिप्रभेदैः
दंष्ट्राग्र घृष्ट घनपृष्ठ गरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि
त्वं पाहि
विज्ञनुत
विज्ञनुत विज्ञनुत
यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
यज्ञवराहमूर्ते यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु
किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु
प्रिययाधरण्या
प्रिययाधरण्या प्रिययाधरण्या
संसेवितः
संसेवितः संसेवितः
महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः
महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः
दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट
दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट दंष्ट्राग्रधृष्ट
घनपृष्ठ
घनपृष्ठ घनपृष्ठ
गरिष्ठवर्ष्मा
गरिष्ठवर्ष्मा गरिष्ठवर्ष्मा
त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत
त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत
यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
यज्ञवराहमूर्ते यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
किञ्चोत्तरेषु
किञ्चोत्तरेषु किञ्चोत्तरेषु
कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या
कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या
किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या
किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या
संसेवितः
संसेवितः संसेवितः
महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः
महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः
संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः
संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः
दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट
दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट
घनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा
घनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा घनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा
दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट घनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा
दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट घनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्ट घनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा
त्वं पाहि
त्वं पाहि त्वं पाहि
विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते
त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रिययाधरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते.
Very good. Move on to shloka number 8. Spurti, repeat after me. याम्यां दिशं
यां दिशं
भजति
भजति
किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे
किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे
संसेवितः हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुत रूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो याम्यां दिशं भजति
यां दिशं भजति
किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे
किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे
संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम
परमाद्भुतरूपशाली
रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो याम्यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे
यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे
संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली
सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली
रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो
रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो
Go on to shloka number 9, Ramya. श्रीनारदेन
श्रीनारदेन
सह भारत
सह भारत खण्डमुख्यैः
त्वं सांख्ययोग
नुतिभिः
समुपास्यमानः
आकल्पकालम् इह
साधु जनाभिरक्षी नारायणः नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन् श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं सांख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधु जनाभिरक्षी नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन् श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः
श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः
त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः
त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः
आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी
आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी
नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन्
नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन् नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन् श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन्
Well, we move on to shloka number 10. प्लाक्षे
प्लाक्षे प्लाक्षे
अर्करूपमयी
अर्करूपमयी अर्करूपमयी
शाल्मले
शाल्मले शाल्मले
इन्दुरूपम्
इन्दुरूपम् इन्दुरूपम्
द्वीपे भजन्ति
द्वीपे भजन्ति द्वीपे भजन्ति
कुशनामनि
कुशनामनि कुशनामनि
वह्निरूपम्
वह्निरूपम् वह्निरूपम्
क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम्
क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम् क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम्
अथ वायुमयम्
अथ वायुमयम् अथ वायुमयम् अथ वा
चशाके
चशाके चशाके
त्वां ब्रह्मरूपम्
त्वां ब्रह्मरूपम् त्वां ब्रह्मरूपम्
अयि पुष्करनाम्नि
अयि पुष्करनाम्नि अयि पुष्करनाम्नि
लोकाः
लोकाः लोकाः
प्लाक्षेर्करूपम्
प्लाक्षेर्करूपम् प्लाक्षेर्करूपम्
अयि शाल्मले
अयि शाल्मले अयि शाल्मले
इन्दुरूपम्
इन्दुरूपम् इन्दुरूपम्
द्वीपे भजन्ति
द्वीपे भजन्ति द्वीपे भजन्ति
कुशनामनि
कुशनामनि कुशनामनि
वह्निरूपम्
वह्निरूपम् वह्निरूपम्
क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम्
क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम् क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपम्
अथ वायुमयम् च शाके
अथ वायुमयम् च शाके अथ वायुमयम् च शाके
त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि
त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि
पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः
पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः
प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि
प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि
शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम्
शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम् शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम्
प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम्
प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम् प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम्
द्वीपे भजन्ति
द्वीपे भजन्ति द्वीपे भजन्ति
कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम्
कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम् कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम्
द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम्
द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम् द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम्
क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ
क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ
वायुमयम् च शाके
वायुमयम् च शाके वायुमयम् च शाके
क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ वायुमयम् च शाके
क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ वायुमयम् च शाके क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ वायुमयम् च शाके
त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः
त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम् द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम् क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ वायुमयम् च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः
We'll move on to shloka number 11. Spurti. So anyone has any questions, you can type it on the question panel, and if it's short, you will get a reply, or else I'll reply at the end. Any questions about anything? Spurti, repeat after me. Yes. Sarvaihi
सर्वैः सर्वैः
ध्रुवादिभिः
ध्रुवादिभिः ध्रुवादिभिः
उडुप्रकरैः
उडुप्रकरैः उडुप्रकरैः
ग्रहैश्च
ग्रहैश्च ग्रहैश्च
उच्छादिकेषु
पुच्छादिकेषु पुच्छादिकेषु
अवयवेषु
अवयवेषु अवयवेषु
अभिकल्प्यमानैः
अभिकल्प्यमानैः अभिकल्प्यमानैः
त्वं शिंशुमार
त्वं शिंशुमार त्वं शिंशुमार
वपुषा
वपुषा वपुषा
महतामुपास्यः
महदामुपास्यः महदामुपास्यः
सन्ध्यासो
सन्ध्यासो सन्ध्यासो
रुन्धि नरकम्
रुन्धि नरकम् रुन्धि नरकम्
मम सिन्धुषायिन्
मम सिन्धुषायिन् मम सिन्धुषायिन्
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः सर्वैर्ध्रुवा should I okay
repeat
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः
उडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च
उडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च उडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च
पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेषु
पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेषु पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेषु
अभिकल्प्यमानैः
अभिकल्प्यमानैः अभिकल्प्यमानैः
त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा
त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा
महतामुपास्यः
महतामुपास्यः महतामुपास्यः
सन्ध्यासु रुन्धि नरकम्
सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकम् सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकम्
मम सिन्धुषायिन्
मम सिन्धुषायिन् मम सिन्धुषायिन्
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिः
उडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च
उडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च उडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च
सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च
पुच्छादिकेषु
पुच्छादिकेषु पुच्छादिकेषु
अवयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः
अवयवेष्वभिकल्पम् अवयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः अवयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः
पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः
पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः
त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा
त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा
महतामुपास्यः
महतामुपास्यः महतामुपास्यः
त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः
त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः
सन्ध्यासु रुन्धि नरकम्
सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकम्
मम सिन्धुषायिन्
मम सिन्धुषायिन्
सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकं मम सिन्धुषायिन्
सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकम् मम सिन्धुषायिन् सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकम् मम सिन्धुषायिन् सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकं मम सिन्धुषायिन्.
Good. So this shloka presents a very different kind of new difficulty. In the sense that words are not difficult; they are not any difficult words, but the sandhis make the whole pada complex. So when you are reciting, the way I have split, see, sarvaihi dhruvadibhihi uduprakaraihi grahaischa. That's how I taught it the first time. So then it became sarvair dhruvadibhihi uduprakarai grahaischa. Then the whole line. So sometimes you might find it difficult to pronounce it straight away on the whole line while reading, because there are so many rephas. I think there are 8 or 10 rephas in that whole line. Sarvair dhruvadibhiruduprakarai grahaischa. So you might find it difficult to say dhruvadibhiruduprakaraihi. So you should not always start repeating from the first when you find a difficulty in between. Let us say you have difficulty pronouncing dibhiruduprakaraihi, somewhere there. So you should not try to repeat from the beginning of the line every time trying to read the shloka from there. Wherever you are finding difficulty, listen to that portion, repeat only that portion till your tongue rolls. So if it is dibhiruduprakaraihi, it does not matter if the word does not make sense. So you have to get the pronunciation and you have to get your tongue rolling. So you have to say bhiruduprakaraihi, rairgrahaischa, and so on. Somehow you have to get your tongue to roll in that way. And then you can tell the whole thing together. Sarvair dhruvadibhiruduprakaraigrahaischa. Similarly with the second sentence. So there are 3 words. Uchchadikeshu avayaveshu abhikalpyamanaihi. In the first iteration, I have taught it by splitting it into 3 words. So you might have difficulty while pronouncing the first 2 words together. Uchchadikesh vavayaveshu, because there are 3 vas within 4 letters. Va, va, ya, va. Again, va again. So whichever part you are finding difficult, hold on to that part and repeat multiple times. Listen to that first iteration, that is the first time I teach, multiple times. Okay, go to the recording and listen to the same thing many times. Then probably the second time I teach, I would have joined 2 words. That would help you. So what I try to do is, in the second time I joined the first 2 words. Third time I joined the second and third word, so that you know where you can exactly split and how you can tell. So in these multiple ways you have to practice. So the words as such are not very difficult in this shloka, but when the sandhi happens, new letters come there, and then it becomes, it gives a beauty to the shloka. At the same time, it becomes difficult to pronounce also. So that is the way you have to practice. And if you always have a partner, it is very good. They will tell you where your mistake is. You can tell them where their mistake is. That is always nice to have. Anyway, we will go on to the 12th shloka. Ramya, repeat after me. Patala. Ramya.
Patala. Patala.
Moola bhuvi.
Moola bhuvi. Moola bhuvi.
Keshatanum bhavantam.
Keshatanum bhavantam. Keshatanum bhavantam.
What are you saying? Not keshatanum. Sheshatanum bhavantam.
Sheshatanum bhavantam. शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
लोलैककुण्डल
लोलैककुण्डल लोलैककुण्डल
विराजि
विराजि विराजि
सहस्रशीर्षम्
सहस्रशीर्षं सहस्रशीर्षम्
नीलाम्बरम्
नीलाम्बरं नीलाम्बरम्
धृतहलम्
धृतहलं धृतहलं
भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
भुजगाङ्गनाभिः भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
जुष्टं भजे
जुष्टं भजे जुष्टं भजे
हरगदान्
हरगदान हरगदान
गुरुगेहनाथ
गुरुगेहनाथ गुरुगेहनाथ
पातालमूलभुवि
पातालमूलभुवि पातालमूलभुवि
शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
शेषतनुं भवन्तम् शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
लोलैककुण्डल विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम्
विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम्
नीलाम्बरम्
नीलाम्बरम् नीलाम्बरम्
धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
जुष्टं भजे हर
जुष्टं भजे हर जुष्टं भजे हर
गदान् गुरुगेहनाथ
गदान् गुरुगेहनाथ गदान् गुरुगेहनाथ
पातालमूलभुवि
पातालमूलभुवि पातालमूलभुवि
शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
शेषतनुं भवन्तम् शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
पातालमूलभुवि शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
पातालमूलभुवि शेषतनुं भवन्तम् पातालमूलभुवि शेषतनुं भवन्तम्
लोलैककुण्डल
लोलैककुण्डल लोलैककुण्डल
विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम्
विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम्
लोलैककुण्डल विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम्
लोलैककुण्डल विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् लोलैककुण्डल विराजिसहस्रशीर्षम्
नीलाम्बरम् धृतहलम्
नीलाम्बरम् धृतहलम् नीलाम्बरम् धृतहलम्
भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
भुजगाङ्गनाभिः भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः
जुष्टं भजे हरगदान्
जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् जुष्टं भजे हरगदान्
गुरुगेहनाथ
गुरुगेहनाथ गुरुगेहनाथ
जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ
जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ
Good, very good. Last we'll finish it off. इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये
नववर्षाः
नववर्षाः
तथा सप्तद्वीपाः
तथा सप्तद्वीपाः
जम्बूद्वीपादिषु
जम्बूद्वीपादिषु उपासनापद्धतिः
चेति एकविंशतितमम् दशकं
समाप्तम् इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये नववर्षाः तथा सप्तद्वीपाः जम्बूद्वीपादिषु उपासनापद्धतिः चेति एकविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिलगुरो भगवन्नमस्ते.
Very good. We have 5 more minutes. We'll start the next dashakam also. It's small only. This dashakam is a very famous story. The 22nd one is Ajamilopakhyanam. So do attend the next class also, where I will be continuing this dashakam. The first shloka. Spurti, you can repeat after me. First shloka. 21st dashakam was about the various forms of the Lord in various parts of the world and how he is worshipped everywhere. So if we tell the 21st dashakam, it is like praying to all different forms of the Lord, all the avatars in everywhere. So it is a very powerful dashakam, 21, where you are praying to all different forms in all the 7 dvipas and 9 different varshas. The way geography is explained in Bhagavata, so every place with its own devata. And that particular I will tell in the end. Now we will go on to the shloka. Spurti.
अजामिलः
नाम महीसुरः पुरा चरन् विभो धर्मपथान् गृहाश्रमी गुरोर्गिरा काननमेत्य
काननमेत्य काननमेत्य
दृष्टवान्
दृष्टवान् दृष्टवान्
सुधृष्टशीलाम्
सुधृष्टशीलां सुधृष्टशीलां
there su should not become s, it is su and then dhr. Sudhrishtashilam
सुधृष्टशीलां सुधृष्टशीलां
kulatam
कुलटां कुलटां
madakulam.
मदाकुलां मदाकुलां.
One second, I think the last word is madotkatam. That is, both are right. Madakulam is also correct. I think in SN Shastri it is madotkatam. We will stick to madotkatam. I will change it here and there. I will write it now. Ajamilo nama
अजामिलो नाम अजामिलो नाम
Mahisurah pura
महीसुरः पुरा महीसुरः पुरा
charan vibho
चरन् विभो चरन् विभो
dharmapathan grihashrami.
धर्मवधान् गृहाश्रमी धर्मवधान् गृहाश्रमी
Gurorgira
गुरोर्गिरा गुरोर्गिरा
kananametya
काननमेत्य काननमेत्य
drishtavan
दृष्टवान् दृष्टवान्
sudhrishtashilam
सुधृष्टशीलां सुधृष्टशीलां
kulatam madotkatam.
कुलटां
Madakulam only,
मदोत्कटां
okay. It has madakulam only there. SN Shastri also has madakulam, so we will keep it as madakulam. Maybe some other book has madotkatam. Kulatam madakulam
कुलटां मदाकुलां कुलटां मदाकुलां
ajamilo nama mahisurah pura
अजामिलो नाम महीसुरः पुरा अजामिलो नाम महीसुरः पुरा
charan vibho dharmapathan grihashrami.
चरन् विभो धर्मपथान् गृहाश्रमी चरन् विभो धर्मपथान् गृहाश्रमी
Gurorgira kananametya drishtavan
गुरोर्गिरा काननमेत्य दृष्टवान् गुरोर्गिरा काननमेत्य दृष्टवान्
sudhrishtashilam kulatam madakulam
सुधृष्टशीलां कुलटां मदाकुलां सुधृष्टशीलां कुलटां मदाकुलाम् अजामिलो नाम महीसुरः पुरा चरन् विभो धर्मपथान् गृहाश्रमी गुरोर्गिरा काननमेत्य दृष्टवान् सुधृष्टशीलां कुलटां मदाकुलाम्.
Very good. So next class we will be continuing with Ajamido Pakhyana, which has beautiful shlokas in between where the Vishnu Dutas are talking about Nama Mahima. So it is very good to have a grasp over those shlokas. So I encourage everyone to attend the next class. Nonetheless, now I had a couple of announcements to make. So one, I think a couple of questions were there here. One was here, Shalmala is Shalmale Indurupam. When we split the word, it is Shalmale Indurupam. There are some important announcements, so please wait. Shalmale Indurupam. When we split it, it is Shalmale, but the print is not wrong either. That is a very Many people do not know that Santi usually, but it is there. So it is Shalmale Indu Rupam. I think that is the doubt there. Later we will see other doubts. And yeah, around 250 of you are attending now. It started off with 500 in April. I think slowly that's how I expected only 250 to be the stationary at the end, 250 to be continuously attending. If there is any feedback for the course, if I should do something different, do send me a mail at the email ID is there on every slide, and any doubts and answers also. More importantly, we have the Gita Parayanam on the Gita Jayanti. So 25th is Vaikuntha Ekadashi, also Gita Jayanti. Gita Jayanti sometimes comes with Guru Ayur Ekadashi, sometimes with Vaikuntha Ekadashi. It can come, so that both are different calculations. So this Vaikuntha Ekadashi is also Gita Jayanti, which Vyoma along with the Practical Vedanta group at IIM Bangalore, we have organized the Gita Parayanam led by Srimati Brinda Karanam, who is handling the Gita chanting classes. So all of you can participate. The Zoom ID and the link is given below. I think you will get a mail also regarding this from Vyoma itself. But if not, you can note down the URL is very simple. It is just tinyurl.com/Gita Parayanam. So the URL is very straightforward. And if at all you want to log in straight away through Zoom, you can do it through the meeting ID 933 whatever. The meeting ID and passcode. I will keep the slide on for a few moments. You can note down the meeting ID and the passcode. Same thing with this Narayaniam classes. As we go ahead from now on, a lot of charitras, different stories are going to come. So next is Ajamila, and then we have Prahlada Charitam. So 23 is different. 23 is Prache Daksha Upakhyanam and few other stories. And then we have Prahlada Charitam 24 and 25. All those you will very nice. Whoever wants to memorize them, you can memorize and tell every day. And also for different purposes, Narasimha Jayanti, you can tell Prahlada Charitam. Then we will get Gajendra Moksham and Ambarish Upakhyanam, Matsya Avatara, Rama Avatara, and so on. So from now on, it gets very interesting, different stories, and the beauty of Narayaniam also comes out. If you listen to the previous discourse on the meanings, you would have heard the Nara and Narayana part, where the Charita which came the 16th Dashakam. And the shloka for Nara Narayana is there here in our 21st Dashakam. The Nara Narayana is here in the 9th shloka. So they are the one for Bharata Khanda. So this shloka is for them. So any of these shlokas, each one of these shlokas, you can do japa of them also. If you have that particular murti as your Ishta Devata, then you can do japa of any of these shlokas from the 21st Dashaka particularly I'm telling. It is there for Narasimha, and each shloka is for Rama. The Yam Yam Disham is for Rama. And then similarly, many other, even for Shiva, it is there. The first shloka itself is along with Parameshwara, Shiva, it is there. So any other questions or anything, we will first I will finish telling the whole of 21st Dashakam, and then we will take questions and then recitation as usual. So I will finish the whole of 21st Dashakam. Atha ekavimshatitamam dashakam madhyodbhave bhuva ilavritanamni varshe gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantranutibhis samupasyamanam sankarshanatmakamadhishvara samshrayetvam Bhadrashvanamaka ilavrita purva varshe Bhadrashravobhirishibhih parinuyamanam Kalpanta gudha nigamodharana praveenam Dhyayami deva hayashirshatanum bhavantam Dhyayami dakshinagate harivarsha varshe Prahlada mukhya purushaih parishebhyamanam Uttunga shanta dhavala kritimeka shuddha jnana pradan naraharim bhagavan bhavantam Varshe pratichi lalitatmani ketumale Leela vishesha lalita smita shobhanangam लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमाणम् तस्याः प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम् रम्ये ह्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमाणम् भक्तैकवत्सलमवत्सरहृत्सुभान्तम् मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम् वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयमुत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिधृतिकर्मठकामठाङ्गम् संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायम् तन्त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन् किञ्चोत्तरेषु कुरुषु प्रियया धरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंष्ट्राग्रघृष्टघनपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुत यज्ञवराहमूर्ते यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मकः परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णो श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षी नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन् प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मल इन्दुरूपम् द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिबन्धिरूपम् क्रौञ्चेऽम्बुरूपमथ वायुमयं च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः सर्वैर्ध्रुवादिभिरुडुप्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकं मम सिन्धुषायिन् पातालमूलभुविशेषतनुं भवन्तं लोलैककुण्डलविराजिसहस्रशीर्षम् नीलाम्बरं धृतहलं भुजगाङ्गनाभिः जुष्टं भजे हरगदान् गुरुगेहनाथ इति श्रीमन्नारायणीये नववर्षाः तथा सप्तद्वीपाः जम्बूद्वीपादिषु उपासनापद्धतिश्चेति एकविंशतितमं दशकं समाप्तम् नारायणाखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. 3 more courses in Vyoma have been completed, that is Vishnu Sahasranama, Lalita Sahasranama and Shankara Digvijaya. All 3 were chanting courses. I think many of you were a part of some of them. So you have more time now to spend for Narayaniyam, I hope. You will have other courses and other things also. Try to memorize, try to get more grip over Narayaniyam. Now I will see what questions are there and then take questions from the audience. Okay, discourses are available. I think Raghunandan Anna has posted the link. Okay, the details of the Narayani book to be purchased is S.N. Shastri Chinmaya Mission Publications, S.N. Shastri, which is English transliteration and translation, both are there. Others who want other languages can easily purchase whatever. Many other books are there. Ramakrishna Math usually does not have any mistakes. They have good proofreading. Giri Publications has multiple printing mistakes. I have seen in both Tamil and Kannada and English and Samskrita. I've seen they have many printing mistakes here and there. Giri is not well proofread. So if you have Giri publications, not wrong. When we are teaching, correct the mistakes here wherever it is there. Printing mistakes I see in Giri publications. What is the Chandas? Oh, Chandas in Dashakam 22. I forgot to say it is Vamshastha. We've already seen it in 13th or the 12-letter Chandas, Vamshastha. I will tell again next class. I put it on the slide. Anyway, it is a Vamshastha Chandas, the 12th Dashaka. Any other? Yeah, the Shalmala has been. It has been. Okay, that doubt has been cleared. Now I will take questions from the audience. Whoever wants to ask questions have raised their hands already. Anybody else who wants to ask questions also can raise your hands. First, only questions. If you raised your hand by mistake, please put your hand up. Sundaravalli Shankar.
Ram Ram Mahodaya, can you hear me?
Ram Ram.
So a couple questions. In chapter 21, if we are living in North America, which should we follow North American deity for Japam, or because we are Indians by birth, should we do that? That's the first question. Second question, I have seen recently that some particular day they said that was Guruvayur Narayaniyam day, the day they offered. Can you throw some light on which month and which day that is, so that we can start following, and what is the history behind that?
Actually, they're not. Okay, I will take the first question first. It was about
which slokam is for North America?
Sloka for North America. So in this exact locations of geographies according to Bhagavatam and the modern locations are there are multiple people saying correlating it in different ways. So we do not have an exact correlation. So we can start off with Naranarayana, which is for India. Some people say the whole of so the whole of Bhukhanda is Bharatavarsha, and the other Dvipas are somewhere else. So each one has their own this thing. So if you have time, you can tell the whole Dashakam. All 12 shlokas are best to tell. If not, you can take your own Ishta Devata, whichever Devata is there. If I like Rama, I say Yam Yam Disham. If I like Narasimha, I take the Prahlada Mukhya Purushehi, and so on. So whichever is Ishta Devata for you, you can repeat that shloka, or any shloka is fine. So that is the first one. Narayaniyam day, I myself came across it only this time. This year only I heard of it. The Narayaniyam was written by Bhattatri, and Arpana at Guruvayur was done on Guruvayur Ekadashi. So Guruvayur Ekadashi is the Narayaniya Bhattatri Samarpana day. The day he finished Narayaniyam is on Guruvayur Ekadashi, which was 26th November this year, if I am not wrong. So every time it is on Guruvayur Ekadashi, which is quite well known. I don't know this time whether December 13th when it came up, it was not Ekadashi also. I think that was the date probably on which Narayana Bhattatri finished by English calendar. So that is quite, that is not how we follow things. I'm not sure why the Narayaniyam day came up. So I do not have anything to throw light upon it. But Guruvayur Ekadashi is the day Narayaniya Bhattatri finished all the 100 Dashakams. So that Parayanam of Narayaniyam happens in Guruvayur also, and in many other places people follow it. Guruvayur Ekadashi is the day we can follow for that. I hope both are answered. Next, Jyoti Shanai.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram.
Yeah. I had a question, like each stanza of Dashakam 21, each sloka is for a particular devata, but some of the slokas are not clear. So if you could highlight from 1 to 12 as to which sloka is for which devata, that would give more joy when reciting.
Ram Mahadev, sorry, one more thing. Which one is for Krishna in chapter 12? 21, sorry, chapter 21.
In chapter 21, there is no shloka for Krishna as such. There is no shloka for Krishna. All are different kinds of devatas. I will come, now explaining each devata is a little difficult. I will come back to it when I'm telling in discourse, or if you have a book of meanings, it will clearly be written there which devata is coming. So there, it is not all the avatars. It is not Dashavatara of Vishnu. It is a little different. It is the way Bhagavan Vishnu is worshipped in different dvipas. So Sankarshana is there, Balarama is there, Matsya is there, Varaha is there, but not all 10 avatars are there. and it is a little different. So
Yeah,
therefore,
but which is for Shiva, which is for Shiva, and which is for
the first
Vishnu?
one is there, which along with Shiva. So the Sankarshana Murti, he is there along with Shiva. Shiva is also doing puja to Sankarshana Murti there in the first shloka. This one, Sharvena Mantra. The first one,
Okay.
yes.
Okay.
Second one is Hayagriva. Third one is Narasimha. The fourth one is it's a little. It is only. It is not a particular avatar. It's a little different. Fourth one. Fifth one is Matsya. Sixth one is the where Aryama. It is the Pitadeva Loka where he is there in Kurma form. Then here again, this is Yajnavaraha. Seventh shloka is Yajnavaraha. Eighth shloka is Rama. Ninth shloka is Narayana, Naranarayana. 10th shloka is Brahma itself, Brahma Rupa. 11th shloka is Dhruva is doing in the Shimshumara Vabhusha is the big form of, it is like a whale. It is a Shimshumara is something like a whale. It is basically an oceanic creature, Shimshumara, shark or something. It is the cosmic shark, Shimshumara Vapu. And the last one is multiple these things in all the dvipas of the Bharatavarsha itself, different places. So this has multiple, not one.
Okay, Guruji, which one you said was second, third, and fourth?
You go back to recording and listen. Let me go to the next question.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Asha Vishwanath Nath. Next Gangeet after Asha. Asha, you are unmuting and muting. It becomes unmute and mute. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Guruji. Nange one question ಕೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ಮೆಮೊರಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಈ 20 ಇಂದ 26 ವರೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಿ? 16 ದಿಂದ 20 ವರೆಗೆ. 16 to 20.
16 ರಿಂದ 20.
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು.
So that will come after. I have not announced the dates yet. So mostly it will be after, not next week. So today is 19th, 26th. It will be after next week, 2 weeks later, mostly after 28th only for sure. So next week I will announce the exact dates and then send out the forms for that. You will receive a mail with the Google form. Please register using the Google form. Then I will give you the slots also. You can choose your slot.
And ಪಾರಾಯಣ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
Parayana 25 dashaka admele. After 25 dashakams, Parayana will happen.
Okay, thank you, Guruji.
Thanks. Gangeet, then Ponnuswami after Gangeet. Gangeet, yourself muted, or Ponnuswami. Ponnuswami Saundararajan.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Geeta Ram Ram. இது 21st தசகத்துல 10th ஸ்லோகத்துல வந்து வக்னி ரூபமா வன்ஹி ரூபமா இன்னா ஈக்கா இங்க வந்து வக்னி போட்டிருக்கு.
அப்படிதான் போட்டிருக்கோம். நான் எப்படி சொல்லிருக்கேனோ அப்படிதான் சொல்லணும்.
வன்ஹி ரூபம் நான் முன்னாடி சொல்லணுமா?
வக்னி தான் எழுதியிருக்கோம், வன்ஹின்னு தான் சொல்லணும்.
ஓகே, தேங்க் யூ சார். ராம் ராம்.
ராம். Ponnuswami.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
I just joined today. I hope I'm not too late.
Not at all. Yeah, another 80% to go.
But நீங்க உங்களோட வீடியோஸ் எல்லாம் I have gone through. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச நாலேஜ்ல தமிழ்ல முதல் தசகம் 10 வருஷம் தமிழ் எழுதியிருக்கேன். உங்களுக்கு நான் மெயில்ல அனுப்பலாமா? அது பாக்குறேளா? டைம் கிடைக்குமா உங்களுக்கு?
அனுப்புங்க, பாக்குறேன். நீங்க மெயில்ல எதை சொல்லி அனுப்புங்க, என்னன்னு பாக்குறேன்.
இங்க கீழே கொடுத்திருக்க அதே மெயில் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் தானே உங்களுக்கு அனுப்பணும் உங்களுக்கு?
ஆமாமா. தமிழ்ல எதுக்கு எழுதியிருக்கேன்?
நான் கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் போயிட்ரி எழுதுவேன். அதனால அந்த 10 ஸ்லோகத்தையும் அப்படியே ஒன்னும் தமிழா எழுதியிருக்கேன். அதுக்கு தமிழுக்கு எழுதிருக்கேன்.
சரி சரி. சம்ஸ்கிருத தமிழ்ல நீங்க தமிழ் உரையில எழுதியிருக்கேன். சரி சரி.
உரை, கவிதை பாதி மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி சேர்ந்து எழுதியிருக்கேன். அனுப்புறேன் உங்களுக்கு, பாருங்க. பார்த்து நீங்க பெர்மிஷன் கொடுத்தா நான் அப்புறம்
அனுப்புங்க அனுப்புங்க.
அதுல ஏதாவது பொருள் கூட்டம் கூடாது, மிஸ்டேக் இருக்க கூடாது. எதர் இன் தி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஆர் இன் தி, அதனால உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புறேன். கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து சொல்லுவோம் எனக்கு அது எப்படின்னு. ரெஃபரன்ஸ் ஒரு ஃபைல் என்னோட டிராப் பாக்ஸ்ல போட்டு அந்த லிங்க் உங்களுக்கு அனுப்புறேன். ஏன்னா ஃபைல் கொஞ்சம் ஆடியோ, உங்களோட ஆடியோ லிங்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதுல உங்களோட ஆடியோ லிங்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ram, Ram. Aarti, then Akash. Okay, Aarti is not raised her hand. Okay, no problem. I think that is the end of questions. Now I'll put all the hands down. I put all the hands down. You can raise your hands for reciting. For recitation, you can raise your hands. We will start from 20th Dashakam first. 20th Dashakam beginning. I think somebody had. Okay. No other questions as such. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's enough hands. Please, no more hands. Kailasam Iyer, then Vanamala. Kailasam Iyer 20.1.
Namaste. Priyavratasya Priyaputra-bhutat Agnidharajad Dyutito Hinabhihi Tvam Drishtavanishtadamishti Madhye Tavaiva Dushyai Krutayagnya Karma.
Very good. Good. I think first time we are reciting on this. Good. Little more practice, and those Mahaprana, some place it is coming, some place it is not coming. Okay. Concentrate. Good.
Dhanyavad. Thank you.
Vanamala, then Asha Vishwanath.
Namaskara.
Namaskar.
Second slokam, isn't it? Second slokam.
Second.
Abhishtutastatra munishwaraistvam ratnyaswatulyam sudamarthyamanaha swayam janishyeham bruvanaha tirodatha bahirshi vishwamurte.
Tell only this word, this second word in the last line.
Vishwamurte
Bahirshi Vishwamurte.
Barhishi.
Tirodada Barhishi Vishwamurte.
Good. Yes, you got it.
Thank you very much.
Third shloka, Asha. You are self-muted. Third shloka.
Nabhi priyaya matham merudevyam tvamam shator bhru rushabhabhidhanaha aloka samanya guna prabhava prabhavita shesha jana pramodaha.
Good. Here what happens is it is not nabhi, it is not dirgha. You have to say nabhi priyayam.
Nabhi priyaya matha.
Good.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you. Fourth, Panchanatham Swaminathan, then Bhushini PV.
Vayitriloke bhritirajyabhanam nidhayanabhis sahamerudevya tapovanam prapya bhavan nisevi gatakhilananda padam padante.
Excellent. Very good.
One question on the Gita Parayana is said. So on the 25th Vaikuntha Ekadashi day, they are doing it. So we can all join, or
you can all join. That is why the Zoom ID and this was given. You can all join.
Are you going to send us an email, because I didn't register for the Gita?
I think probably today only it came out. I got the slide just a few hours before the class, so I think we will send out a mail regarding that.
Yeah, it will be really beautiful to say that. Long ago, when I was a student at the Madras IIT, I used to recite on the Vaikuntha Ekadashi day. But then I didn't know much of training, but this is really beautiful. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Nice. Sure. Yes. Raman. 20.5 Bhushini, and then Ganga Hariharan for 6th shloka.
Namaste, Mahodaya.
Namaste.
Indrastvaduৎkarsha krutadamarshad vavarshanaasminna jana bhavarshe yada tadatvam nijayoga shaktya swavarshamena suvarsham.
Very good. Nice recitation. I think the first line, it is Da in your book, correct? Amarishad has there. So while stopping there, you have to say it, takara, the first letter of the varga. Only while joining, you could say Amarishad, Vavarisha. So if you're stopping, you have to say ta only there, as it is there in the print on the slide.
Okay, Guruji. Thank you.
Ganga Hariharan, Shloka 6. Then Gita. Ganga Hariharan, you can unmute yourself. Or Gita Vinod. Shloka 6.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Jitendra dattam kamanim jayantim athodvahan atmaratashayopi ajijanastattra shatam tanojan yesham kshritisho bharato grajanma.
Good, excellent, very good. Shloka number 7, Krishita. Then Jayalakshmi Ganeshan.
Ram Ram.
In between. Yes, Ram Ram.
Nava bhavan yogi vara navanye tvapalayan bharata varsha khandan saika tvashitistava shesha putraha tapo balad bhus. Sorry. Saika tvashitistava shesha putraha tapo balad bhusura bhuyamiyuhu.
Very good. Wonderful. 8th Shloka, Jayalakshmi Ganeshan. Those who have recited can put your hands down. Jayalakshmi Ganeshan, yourself muted.
Yes, Namaskara Mahoday. Uttva sutebhyot munindra madhye virakti bhaktyanvita mukti margam swayam gatah paramahamsya vrittim adha jadonmakta pishachacharyam.
Nice.
Thank you.
Next, Jyoti Shanai, then Margadam.
Ram Ram Guruji.
Ram Ram.
Paratma bhutopi paropadesham kurvan bhavan sarva nirasya manaha vikarahino vichachara kritsna mahi mahinatmarasa bhilinaha.
Wonderful. Nice. Next, Margadam, Shloka 10. Then Nigu. Margadam or Nigu. Either of you can start.
Namaste Mahoday.
Namaste.
Shayovratam gomruga kakacharyam chiram charannapya param swarupam davahriyatangam kutaka chale tvam davahriyatanga kutaka chale tvam tapan mapma kurbavatanath.
You're reciting well. Just the tongue has to roll. You can just practice it. Good. Next, 11th Shloka Margadam.
Vanakkam Guruji.
There's no 11th Shloka, sorry. 21.1.
20. Vanakkam Guruji. Madhyodbhave bhuva ilavrudanamni varshe kauri prathana vanita janamatra bhaji sarvena mantra nudibhis samubhasyamanam sangarshanat magamadhiswaratam srayetvam.
Very good. You're improving every class. Here it is. This ka is still coming as little ga is heard. Sankar shukam. Sankarshanatmakam. Practice that.
Thank you, sir.
Sharada PCMC, then Savitri Gangadhar. Sharada Shloka 2. Sharada or Savitri Gangadhar. Either of you can take Shloka 2. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Ram Guruji. भद्राश्वनामक इलावृत पूर्ववर्षे भद्रश्रवोभिर्ऋषिभिः परिणूयमानम् कल्पान्तगूढनिगमोद्धरणप्रवीणम् ध्यायामि देवहयशीर्षतनुं भवन्तम्.
Very good. Good recitation. This Shakara here, Shirsha, the first Sha, Shankara Sha, is heard as C, little. You know how to pronounce it, just correct it. Good.
Okay, sir.
Third Shloka, Sharada, PCMC, or Shyamala Ramachandran.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Shloka number 3.
Yes.
ध्यायामि दक्षिणगते हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्य पुरुषैर्परिसेव्यमाणम् उत्तुङ्गशान्त धवलाकृतिमेकशुद्ध ज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
Very good. Next, Shri Vidya S. Then Shyamala Kumar.
नमो नमः महोदय. वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनिकेतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितस्मितशोभनाङ्गम् लक्ष्म्या प्रजापतिसुतैश्च निषेव्यमानम् तस्या प्रियाय धृत कामधनुं भजे त्वाम्.
Good. Little more Mahapranas you have to improve, and that stress should come. Prana should come.
Okay. Thank you.
Fifth Shloka, Shyamala Kumar is over, I think. Vijay Lakshmi Partha Sarathi. Those who are done, please put your hands down.
Namaste Guruji.
Namaste.
रम्ये युदीचि खलुरा रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथ मनुवर्य समर्प्य सपर्यमाणम् भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत् शुभान्तम् मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम्.
Very good. Shloka number 6, Shyamala Kumar. Did you already recite? I'm confused. No, Shyamala Kumar. Or Saumya Madhu. Saumya Madhu, Shloka number 6.
Okay. Varsham Hiranmaya Samahyaya Mautaraham Samahvaya Mautaraham Asena Madri Dhruti Karmathak Kamatangam Samsevate Pitrugana Pravaroryamayam Tvam Bhajami Bhagavan Tvam Bhajami.
The first is just thumb, simple thumb. Then
oh, sorry. Tvam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman.
Good. Little in some Alpapranas itself, that little Mahaprana stress is coming. That did not come. And Mahaprana should have little more Mahaprana stress.
Okay, sir.
We will go reverse now. Mohana Sundararajan, just 3-4 people. Or Shyamala Kumar, you can start off with same 6th shloka. Ram.
Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvyamottaraham
मद्रिधृति कर्मटकामठाङ्कम् संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरो यमायम् तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्.
Good. Very good. Shloka number 5. Shyamala Kumar, you are unmuted. You can tell.
Namaste ji.
Namaste.
Ramye hrudichi kalu ramyakanam vinna varshe ramyakananmi varshe tatvarshanata manuvarya samarpyamanam bhakter kavasalamamat sarahritsubanam masya kritim bhuvananatha bhaje bhavantam.
You need some practice. Listen multiple times to the recording where I have split and taught, and then repeat it about 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. You have to repeat. Listen 10 times, then start repeating. Okay, then you will get better. Next is I think this is over. Radha Ram Mohan, shloka number 4. Then Gayatri SV.
Namaste sir.
Namaste.
वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितास्मित शोभनांगम ललितस्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमाणं तस्याः प्रियाय धृतकामतनुं भजे त्वाम्.
Very good. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Next, Gayatri SV. Shloka number 3.
Ram.
Ram.
ध्यायामि दक्षिणकदे हरिवर्षवर्षे प्रह्लादमुख्यपुरुषै परिसेव्यमानम् उत्तुङ्गशान्तधवलाकृतिमेघशुद्धज्ञानप्रदं नरहरिं भगवन् भवन्तम्.
Good. You are telling well. This, when the dha mahaprana comes, the ta before that is also getting it by mistake. Like that, you have to be a little careful where the mahaprana should come and where it should not come. Good. Next, Devika Ravi, shloka number 2.
Namaskar Mhodaya. Badrascha namaka ilavrita purva varshe Badrashavo birrishibir.
Second line is Bhadra, not Dra.
Badrashavo birrishibif parinuyamanam kalpanta guda nigamodharana praveena dhyayami deva hayashirshatanum bhavantam.
Good. You need little more work on mahapranas in some places, and you are putting the dirghas in some places unintentionally. Praveenam, dharana, praveenam is all just hraswa only. Should not dirgha should not come. I think Ganga Hariharan, I have unmuted you now. You can try unmuting yourself, or else we are done. Just somebody has asked some question. Yeah, your daughter. Oh, yeah, sure. Okay. Who? Gayatri SV. You can. I can unmute you again. Where is Gayatri SV? Anybody else has any question? You can put it. Gayatri SV, I unmute you. Anybody else wants to unmute themselves again? Please put it on the question so that I know. Yes, Gayatri SV, you can tell on this thing. Whichever shloka, second shloka.
Sir, I think I have been unmuted now, right?
Yes, Ganga, yes, please. The first shloka.
Yes, sir.
गौरी प्रदान वनिता जनमंत्रबाजी सर्वेण मंत्रनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानं संकर्षणात्मगमधीश्वर संश्रये त्वाम्.
You're reciting well. The kakara and all should not become gakara. Again, regional accent is coming. That's just a Tamil accent or Malayalam little that is showing there. So that ka should be ka, ga should be ga. Okay. Listen properly and you can listen to the recording. Huh? Good. Number 2.
Yes, shall I do it, sir?
Yes, yes.
Vadra janamaka ila vrishapurvavarshre vritapurvavarshre Badra Sravo Gatibihi Parinu Sihma. My eyes are not there. Badra Swanamaka Ila Vritapurva Varshe Badra Sravo Bihi Parinu Yamanam Kalpanda Guda Nivagamo Dharana Pravinam Jayami Deva Hayasi Satanum Bhavantam.
Very good, very good. Very good.
Is all right?
All right, wonderful. Very good.
Badras, sir,
Nice.
I am all right?
Yes, yes, you are all right. Wonderful.
Okay.
Panjanathan Swaminathan sir, you want to say something?
Question in the verse second line, Badrashagor Dhir Rishabhihi. So there is a Rishabhihi. He said something about when Amoga recited, you have to have that this one, remember? Is it the same as the previous the line? I think chapter 20, second or third verse, there was one.
Yes, yes. So the thing here is you should not give a lot of r there. You should not say Bhadrashravo Bhirshibhi. He should not come because Rakara is Repa is there. Then for Ra, it is just one Swara is there, which is R. Ra and R. So you cannot say R like as if there is some Samyuktakshara Rakara there. You should not say it because there it is only a single Matra Kala should come. So therefore, it should come as Bhadrashravo Bhirshibhi. That's how it should go. Some people are saying Bhadrashravo Bhirshibhi. It is a little difficult to correct that, and it has to come by a lot of listening to that sentence where they have repeated in the Dashakam. And Amogha, I think he was the one who repeated the shloka after me. He has also told it. He has told it like the Vedic pronunciation.
Yeah, the Rishabha comes, Repa comes because of the Sandhi, right?
Yes, correct.
So it's not a Samyuktakshara, you're right.
Yes, it is not a Samyuktakshara, exactly.
On the other hand, if it is a Samyuktakshara, he will give an extra.
If it is a Samyuktakshara, you can give that extra stress, which is also required, and it gives a beauty. But here you should not give that extra stress.
So essentially, it's a rule. Whenever there is a Rishabhi Varmurdu, you have to treat it not like a Samyuktakshara, because there will be many places there is a Rishabha rule comes after the Visarga, so you will have that sound. Right? So it's a general rule.
So you should not tell it like Samyuktakshara. Only then you will know it is that Sandhi which is there.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada. Ram Ram. Sarvebhyaha Ram 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 Shubharatrihi Agrima Saptahe Drakshyaamaha. Shubhamastu.